Can I be really honest? Sometimes the judges in my head, they're loud. What if my videos get no views? What if you find my lessons boring? What if I don't deliver? What if I'm not interesting anymore? I said my mission is to make your heart beat while learning Korean, but what if I fail my mission? Sometimes they're so loud. Do you ever feel that way while you're learning Korean? So I thought I would make a little video. This is not a typical video that I create, but what if we just be human here and just talk about some inner critic in our head and how to silence the judges in our head? Because I'm about to show you a picture. Yesterday I was talking to ChatGPT and I was just sharing my honest feelings because I've been feeling that lately. I'm like, what if, like negative thoughts came to me? And I was like, okay, after talking to him, and I asked him to create an image of our conversation. And it was so interesting. He created this for me. This is me, and I have passion. Do you see my heart with the light bulb? I have so much passion to deliver, to teach, to show up here. Like that light will never turn off. But the inner critic, do you see it? Is so scary. And it's saying, like, oh, will this get views? You're boring. What if you say it wrong? Others do it better. Like they say these, right? And I'm like, that's not going to stop me from showing up here. Like, imagine if those inner critic and the judges in my head win over me. Like, that would be so sad. That would be the day when I stop creating and teaching altogether. And I'll be just like, I'm too scared to do anything, you guys. I'm gonna stop showing up. Being a YouTuber in front of everybody, all of you guys, 2 million of you guys across all social platforms, it's no joke. It's scary at times. I just let my heart and my passion lead the way. It's not my head doing the work, it's just the heart doing the work. If you watch my videos, you'll know what I mean by that. But sometimes the head just goes, uh oh, no, 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 no. Silence the heart, silence the passion. Can we talk? And they just put a pause on my passion. And that's when I know I have to be very strong. And I'm going to tell you how I get back up when I hear those judges speaking to me really loudly. And maybe sometimes this is you. Picture. I asked ChatGPT, maybe for language learners, can you create a picture of their judges? And this is our head. Is my pronunciation weird? I can't do it. Don't speak. You're not perfect. I already forgot it. What if I sound silly and weird and they judge me and they don't understand me? Is this you? Can you be really honest with me? Or like, am I too old to learn? Like, I'm tearing up just saying this because I don't want these thoughts to stop you. So that's why I'm bringing you the whole series, 4 ways to silence your judges. Are you ready? Are you present with me? Let's do this. Number one, this is my favorite quote of all times. Action is the cure. Look at this quote. Perfectionism is a disease, you guys. Procrastination is a disease. And to that disease, thankfully, we have a cure, and action is the cure. So don't overthink it. If you're scared to speak Korean, if you're scared to do your thing, like the wildest dreams, like whatever that's on your bucket list, do it. Show up. Just imagine there is a favorite, like you all have your favorite restaurant. I have mine too. What if one day your favorite restaurant closes down? And then the reason for that is them being like feeling not enough. Like you go to the owner, you're like, what happened? Like so many people love your restaurant and you got 5-star reviews on Yelp. Like what happened? And then the owner goes, oh, like, one day I started comparing myself with other restaurants and I feel like I'm not enough. So I closed down. Like that's the saddest story. I don't want that to happen. Do you feel like, you're not, you don't, your pronunciation is bad? Is that why you're not speaking? Do you feel like this is too hard to learn? Do you feel like you're not smart enough to learn a new language as an adult? Maybe you're just trying to be perfect. Maybe you're just procrastinating and they're all just a disease, it says. And we just have to take action because that's the cure for it all. So I want you to not overthink it and I want you to just do it before you feel ready. It says it right here. Like, what if I wanted to be perfect here? Perfect everything. What if, like, oh my gosh, my hair looks weird, so I'm not gonna show up? What if, like, oh my god, the lighting is so dark today, so I don't wanna show up? It's not perfect. Right? And then I procrastinate and I don't ever show up here on YouTube for weeks. Are you gonna be sad? Yeah, I don't want that. Because when you rise, everybody benefits. I promise that when you rise to your full potential with that energy in you, with your passion, everybody benefits. Don't forget. So I don't want you to shrink, but take action and take courage, my friends. Let's do this together. And number two, when they speak loud, I know it's really hard, but I want you to love your mistakes. Lift up your left hand and go love. And then your right hand and go mistakes. Love mistakes. It's inevitable. You are going to be embarrassed. You're going to make mistakes when you're learning a new language. There is no way out. I learned English, Chinese, and Korean. Just think about how many times I embarrassed myself in front of many, many people. In a restaurant, at a cafe, like I ordered something, they gave me something else because they couldn't understand what I was saying. But it's okay. Like those mistakes, you know what it did? I collected a lot of data, right? Because at the end of the day, I realized mistakes help me gather even more information. And usually it comes with shame and some kind of embarrassment in your heart. And it remains with you more because you'll remember that feeling. Because your brain forgets what's boring, but when you're stimulated, you remember them longer. Like the word you got it wrong, now you're gonna get it right because you remember the feeling that you had when you had that mistake. So I want you to really start loving your mistakes. And I wrote here, as a bilingual, just imagine how many times I made a mistake, right? So maybe our goal today is not to avoid mistakes. Maybe it is to make 5 mistakes. Do you see my little sentence? Homework? Yeah, let's make 5 mistakes today and gather 5 new information. How's that? Is that doable for everybody? Instead of avoiding and procrastinating and saying no to opportunities and no to embarrassment, we say yes, let's love our mistakes and get better. Better at Korean, better at all of the goals that we have. Yeah? So that's number two. And number three, I just have 4 key points here. Number three, whenever the judges speak really loudly in your head, I want you to choose courage over comfort. Always. I have it big on my wall here. Choose courage over comfort. On my ankle, I have 1 tattoo. My whole body, I just have 1 tattoo on my ankle. If you meet me in person, you'll see this. It says courage on my ankle. Because that's one thing I want to carry with you as I carry out my mission in this world. I want to never let comfort or fear conquer my life or my heart. I want to choose courage over and over and over again. Because comfort will say, don't say anything, or do it later, or don't write that down. Not that convenient for you, not that comfortable to say something or to do it right now. That's uncomfortable. But courage will say something else. Courage will do it anyway. Write it anyway. Open your mouth anyway. Not later, they'll do it today because you feel courageous. And it says the judges in your head love later. That word later, oh, the judges will be like, yeah, let's do it later. That's how you do it. I succeeded my mission in failing you. They will say that. So I wrote, what would the slightly braver version of you do today? Maybe that version of you will do it today. Will open their mouth and go out there and speak Korean, broken Korean, and gather some information, right? While making mistakes and while loving mistakes and taking action, right? And lastly, let them judge. What if someone actually does judge you? What if you judge me? What if I get a wrong, like bad, evil comment? It's okay. It says, what if they hear your accent? What if they notice your grammar mistake? What if someone thinks your Korean sounds bad? Okay. Let them do it. It's okay. Because the goal here is not to get rid of the judges. I never said that. Don't get rid of them because it's impossible. It's here. We're human. We can be negative. We can have bad thoughts. But our goal is to not give them a vote. We have a vote. We choose courage. We choose to take action. And them judging me, what if they do? It's out of my control. Let them judge me, but that's not going to stop me from showing up here. That's not going to stop my passion from burning. You know? So that's the whole point. So I hope as you're watching this video, you really feel what I'm saying here. Whatever goal you have, whether it is to be fluent in Korean or to, I don't know, maybe start a YouTube channel, because many of you want to start a YouTube channel, because I get emails like that. And maybe you want to start a family. Maybe you want to start school and you're in your 40s, late 40s. And that's all good. I want you to, if your heart has this, do you see it? It's such a cute picture. If your heart has this, you can do it. Just don't give the judges a vote. You choose to take action. You choose to take courage. I hope you found this video at the perfect time, and I hope this video gave you strength, warmth, joy, and love. And as always, we got this.